Changing your profile picture on Trip.com is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your profile image easily. Step 1. Log in. Visit the Trip.com website or open the app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access profile settings. Once logged in, navigate to your profile by clicking on your account icon on name, usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select Edit Profile. In your profile settings, look for an option that says Edit Profile or Profile Settings. Click on it to access your profile customization options. Step 4. Upload new picture. Find the section for your profile picture. Click on the Current Picture or an Upload button to choose a new image from your device. Make sure the image meets any specified requirements. Step 5. Save changes. After uploading your new picture, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to ensure your new profile picture is saved and updated on your account. Now you have successfully changed your profile picture on Trip.com. Enjoy your updated look.